Okay. Good morning. I just came here this morning to vote, to exercise my vote. Then the thing was going peacefully. Before I know it, one APC TOUTS came to that place. That if you are not voting for APC, you should leave there. If you are forbidden, go to Anambra and vote. That I will not allow anybody to come and vote here. If you are not voting for APC, we thought it was a joke. The guy was saying it. I didn't talk to him. Then I just reported, even when I was reporting to the police, the guy came to there. When I was reporting to the police, I'm beating me up in front of policemen. The policemen can't do anything. They were just watching the man. The rescue team come. I report the matter to him. When the rescue team left, the matter came worse. They even go, when you vote, they will ask you to see where you thumbprint. They will like to see where you thumbprint. If you don't show them, they will start beating. They start beating everybody on rampart. Beating everybody, they should go. That they want only APC to vote. That's the situation here. So there's no election on 0333 and 0344, 033 and 034. Badi bus stop, Ishawa Road.